Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into something that seems super simple but is actually the cornerstone of all communication. The basic conversation. We've all been there needing to ask for something small like a piece of paper or a pen. Let's take a classic example. Excuse me, do you have a piece of paper? Yes, I do. Here you go. Thanks. Do you have a pencil? No, I don't. Sorry, I have a pen. Thanks. This little exchange is packed with so much more than just words. It's about politeness, helpfulness, and navigating social situations smoothly. Think about it. The phrase "excuse me" is the perfect way to politely get someone's attention. It's respectful and shows you value their time. When they respond with "yes, I do." Here you go. They're not just giving you paper. They're offering help. It's a small act of kindness. And what happens when they can't help? No, I don't. Sorry. That "sorry" is key. It shows empathy. They can't fulfill your request, but they acknowledge it. Offering an alternative, like "I have a pen," takes it a step further. This is proactive problem solving in a mini conversation. It shows they're still willing to help in any way they can. It's a beautiful example of cooperation. Now let's expand on this. Why is mastering these small interactions so important? Because life is built on them. Whether you're at school, at work, or just out in public, these little conversations build connections. They can be the start of a friendship or a successful collaboration. Imagine you're a new student. Asking a classmate for a pencil isn't just about the pencil. It's about opening a line of communication. It's your entry point into the social fabric of the classroom. Let's break down the components of a successful request. First, the approach. Always be polite. Excuse me, pardon me, or even a simple friendly "hi" can work wonders. Second, be clear and direct. Do you have a? Is a great, straightforward way to ask. Don't beat around the bush. People appreciate clarity. Third, the response to their answer. If they say yes, a simple "thanks" or "thank you so much" is essential. Gratitude is powerful. It makes people feel good about helping you and more likely to help again in the future. If they say no, your reaction is just as important. Don't get frustrated or act entitled. A simple "no problem" or "thanks anyway" is the perfect response. It shows you understand and that you don't hold it against them. Remember, they're not obligated to have what you need. If they offer an alternative, like the pen in our example, show your appreciation for their effort, even if it's not exactly what you were looking for. These skills are transferable to every part of your life. Think about a professional setting. You might need to ask a colleague for a file, some data, or just a bit of their time. The same principles apply. A polite approach, a clear request, and a grateful response will make your colleagues see you as respectful, considerate, and easy to work with. This builds your reputation as a team player. Let's consider the nonverbal cues too. When you ask, make eye contact. Offer a small, friendly smile. Your body language should be open and non-threatening. All of this signals that you're making a friendly request, not a demand. It puts the other person at ease and makes them more receptive to helping you. When you receive the item, a nod and a smile along with your thanks reinforces your gratitude. So, the next time you need to borrow a pen, remember that you're doing more than just asking for an object. You're practicing a vital social skill. You're building a tiny bridge between you and another person. These small, positive interactions add up, creating a more pleasant and cooperative environment for everyone. They are the building blocks of good relationships and a supportive community. It all starts with a simple, polite question. Don't ever underestimate the power of "excuse me, do you have a piece of paper?" It's the little things that make a big difference. Thanks so much for watching today. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on communication and social skills. See you in the next one.